Hi, this is a review of a 6-inch slim recessed light fixture that doesn't require a can that's sold by Lowe's. It's not very big across. It goes into a hole that's a little over 6 inches in diameter. You don't have a whole lot of room for error, only about a 1/4 inch on each side. And one of the nice things about the fixture is that you can change the colors with a switch. So you can see the 3 different colors as I'm going through them with my phone camera set not to automatically adjust to the color temperature. This is the light fixture that I'm replacing. It's just one of those 2-tube fluorescent in my garage. And this shows you the template that you can use to cut the hole out. It's just around 6.1 inches, and it wasn't too difficult to cut them out. I just traced around the cardboard and used an oscillating saw to start, and then you saw the saw that I was using to finish the holes. Those are my 2 holes in the ceiling with the start of the wiring to connect the 3 that I was putting up to replace that one fixture. This is the wiring. This is the little box that comes with the unit where the wiring from the home attaches, and you can see that there's a little cord that comes from that box that actually attaches to the 6-inch fixture. And this is the finished product. I was afraid that it was not going to be enough to light up the whole area that the fluorescent tubes did, since the fluorescent tubes had a higher rated light output than these 3 fixtures did. But actually these, because they're more directional, put out more light. So I've been very satisfied with them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.